नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इवनिंग एंड वेलकम टू आरोग्या फिजियो टिप्स। आपका आरोग्या फिजियो टिप्स में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। थैंक्स टू ऑल द सब्सक्राइबर्स हु हैव बीन सपोर्टिंग अस. Thank you for all your comments that we are able to help you out. We feel very great, so keep them coming. Keep telling us what video to make. This particular video which we are making today is very close to my heart, और मैं आप सबसे अनुरोध करती हूँ कि आप ये वीडियो जरूर देखिए अगर आप एक औरत है तो, बिकॉज दिस इज रिलेटेड टू our very favorite topic, menstruation. And today we will be talking about menstrual cup. आज हम menstrual cup के बारे में बात करेंगे. But before that, subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, and like our videos and share our videos with all the people who would need that. This particular video you should definitely share with anybody who is in the phase of menarche to menopause, all the women from teenagers to the menopausal women. Okay, so today we are talking about menstrual cup. We will be covering three topics. One, what is menstrual cup? Second, why we should use menstrual cup? And third, how to use the menstrual cup. So the first one is, what is menstrual cup? So here now there are two companies which we have kept here. There is Sirona and Tessa. But because this is not made by company and this is by our own interest, there are many other companies which make, like Asan, P Safe. Asan is really good. Suspire, iActive, all these companies have been making menstrual cup, and you should definitely try using menstrual cup. Now this is how your menstrual cup look. Of course the stem is different in many other cup. There are two types of cup. One is hard cup and one is soft cup. This one particular is soft cup, which is made by silicone, medical grade silicone or latex. And you basically, it is very easy to fold and very soft. Okay, and this is the menstrual cup and this is called the stem. So this is what menstrual cup is. Now why to use menstrual cup? So from menarche to menopause, मतलब जब आपको पहली बार periods आता है और menopause तक, women generally use 17,000 pads. Okay, it can be even more. It can go up to lakhs, because depending on the kind of periods you get. And this all get completely into wastage. Some of the times you throw the pad in the pot and it get clogged. So it is very difficult to dispose this, and it is not eco-friendly, whereas a menstrual cup is completely eco-friendly. This cup is basically used to, so if this is a vagina and the cup is placed like this, the blood will completely collect here. You can always take it out and throw the blood, wash it, and again reuse it. So it is completely reusable, and you can reuse for almost 2 to 3 years. Next very important point is, it is pocket friendly. You don't have to buy the pads every single time. You can just use one silicone, this thing, like for example this one must be around I don't know the MRP is not written here. It's written 400 rupees. And similarly, so from 400 to 800, you get all the cups. So it is very budget friendly. The third is, it gives you another kind of freedom. You can literally swim. I have done scuba diving. I will post the picture here of my scuba diving. I have done scuba diving, swimming, everything with the cup. So you get all kind of freedom. Especially if you are active like me, this is like a lifesaver. You don't have to think, oh, it will leak, or I'm bleeding too heavy, will it show out, and all that. Depending on the kind of bleeding, the size of cups also changes from small to medium to large to XL. Okay, so आपको सोचना नहीं है कि डिपेंडिंग ऑन कि मेरा किस टाइप का पीरियड है, आप उस टाइप का कप यूज कर सकते हैं. ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन द काइंड ऑफ ओपनिंग यू हैव. Then how to use the cup. So we will go to how to use the cup. So how to use the menstrual cup? There are two ways you can use the menstrual cup. One is basically C curve. So you press it in between and make it a C, and you insert it in vagina and it opens up. It opens up. You can see whether it is not coming out, that means it has hold it up, and this is perfect place. The second way is 7. So you basically fold it like a 7, and again insert it. And both the methods, whichever you want. I personally use the C method. I find the C method more better. So I use the C method, C or 7, whatever you want, you can use it. Now, how to insert it and where to insert it? So generally you can insert it while you are sitting on the pot. You can open completely and insert nicely. If you feel this position is uncomfortable, another position which is my particularly made, I keep one leg above, one leg down, a slight knee bend, and I find this position much better than that one. The another one which you can do is while squatting all the way down and doing it like this. But my favorite is the second one. It is important every time you take the cup out, you have to wash it, and wash it with chilled water, hot water, doesn't matter, but wash it, and wash it with water and a mild soap, very mild soap which does not smell so much. And generally the medical grade soap which is available, those are the best one to use it to wash your menstrual cup. So I request all the women, all the teenagers, everyone who is around to try using menstrual cup and let us know that you tried it and tried it for the 3 months and how you are now used to it completely and you are loving the kind of freedom which it is giving you. You can thank me later, but you have to use the menstrual cup. With that, this one comes to an end, but you have to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, ring the bell, and share our videos and comment, because I love your comment. I love reading all the comments. I personally read all the comments and answer each one of them personally. So please let your comment keep coming. Tell us what video you want us to make. We will make those videos. और हाँ, और अपना प्यार ऐसे ही बनाए रखिए और हमें ऐसे ही सपोर्ट करते रहिए. So till then, tata, bye bye. Witness your fitness with us. With Menstrual Cup.